If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your Steam Deck. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can significantly enhance FPS by reducing the workload on the hardware. Step 3. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any games or apps that are not in use. This frees up resources for your game. Step 4. Enable performance mode. Switch your Steam Deck to performance mode. Go to Settings, select Battery, and choose Performance mode. This setting prioritizes performance over battery life, which can help maintain higher FPS during gaming sessions. Step 5. Monitor temperature and ventilation. Ensure your Steam Deck is well ventilated and not overheating. Use it on a flat surface and avoid blocking the vents. High temperatures can lead to thermal throttling, causing FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Steam Deck's performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming.